Imagine your company has projected sales target for the year and you are also tracking the actual sales performance month by month. But in July, the company launches a new product and suddenly the sales trend changes completely. Now you want to highlight that exact moment inside your Excel chart with a professional vertical line like this one. In this video, I will show you the easiest and most professional way to do it step by step in Excel. First, let's create our main chart. Here I have three columns: months, expected sales and actual sale. So I'll select this data and I'll go to the Insert tab. Here I will click on this recommended chart and create this line chart. So in this line chart, I will first select this chart title and delete it. After this, I will click on these grid lines and also delete them. The blue line represents our projected sales target, while the orange line shows the real sales performance. You can clearly see that after July, the actual sales suddenly increase because of the new product launch. Now let's highlight that important business event directly inside the chart. For this purpose, I have a separate small data set named as line data, and I have specified those specific points of x-axis value and the y-axis values. So on this chart, under the chart design, we have this select data option. So I will click it. After this, I will click on this add, and here I will add a series with the name vertical line. And for the series value, I will just select this first x-axis value and click OK. Now this has created a new data series on our chart. To finalize it, I will click on OK. Now I will right click on this chart and click on this change chart type. And I will click on this combo. Here for the projected sale, I will keep select this line chart option. Similarly, for the actual sale, again I will choose the line chart, but for the vertical line, I will choose the scatter plot. This option, scatter with straight line, and after this I will click OK. Now after this change, we have the projected sales and actual sales value as a line chart and vertical line data in the form of a scatter plot. But we also need to specify the values for the scatter plot line. For this purpose, again I need to select this select data, and for the vertical lines I need to click edit, and here now for the x-axis value I will select both of these points. These points actually helps us to locate the line on the x-axis. If we have select 7, it will plot the line on the 7th month of the year. After this, we need to specify the y-axis value, and the y-axis value ranges from 0 to 8000. It will start from the 0 on the y-axis and will go all the way to the 8000. So I will select these values, and after this I will click OK and again OK. So now you can see we have plotted a straight line on 7th month with the value starting from the 0 till 8000 on the y-axis. Now to format this line, I will double click this line. This will open the format data series. Here I will click on this line and fill option, and under this I can change the color of the line. I can also change the dash type. I can also add the arrowheads to the start and end of the line. Once I have done all the formatting, I will close this format data series, and to remove these legends, I will click on this add chart element, and here I will uncheck this legend. So now you can see we have a clear vertical line on the 7th month. If I change the x-axis value to the 3, the line will change to the 3rd month, and if I change the x-axis value to 9, the line is automatically moving to the 9th month. So it's mean that the line is not static, it's dynamic one, and we can even change its position by changing the data points. And that's it. Now we have a professional Excel chart with expected sales and actual sales value, and a clean vertical event marker showing exactly where the business trend changed. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical Excel and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.